Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. It's February 14th, 2019 in Big Bear Lake, California. 10:10 a.m., 44 degrees. And we are getting such heavy rain, guys. It's been insane. It has been absolutely insane all night long. The wind kept me up. I didn't sleep at all because it was scary windy. Stuff was falling on the house like crazy. My car got hit by some big branches. Just crazy stuff last night. Most of the snow's gone. It's just insane. Just insane. Guys, if this was snow, oh my God, this would be like before I moved up here back in 2010 when they had like 6 or 7 feet of snow within like 3.5, 4 days. Man, this storm would have been like that. We are getting just dumped on, guys. Holy moly. Right in front of us, it's totally flooded. Look, it's like a lake right there. That's Big Bear Lake in front of us. I'm just kidding. But look, that's where all this water is going to go, guys. How cool is that? Right into the lake. Woo! Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. So yeah, man, the stuff that was falling on my house and smashing my house all night long was so loud and the things were so big. At one point, I had to get up to go upstairs to check to see if there was a hole in the roof because one of my cats screamed. And it's the loudest bang I've heard since I've lived there. It was insane. Insane. Oh, look at this huge puddle. Yes, we're gonna make, oh, look at this. Oh, here's another one. Sweet. Turn around, don't drown. Very wise advice. Yes, very wise advice. Guys, this is nuts. This is absolutely nuts. The windshield wipers are on as fast as they can go. It's 45 degrees. Let me turn on the heat real quick. I need some heat up in this mug. Holy cow, you guys. This is nuts. Woo! I gotta call my friend Mike, ask him what he thinks about this. I mean, honestly, I don't know if the ski resorts would be open with this kind of weather. I'm sure they would, but... Oh, come on, man. Guys, this is the first storm since I've lived here that's really going to impact the lake in a huge way, I think. This is fantastic. Man, this is so great. Woo! Dude, look at all this water, guys. This is unbelievable. I've never seen it like this around here. So that's a good thing, guys. This is a first for me. I've never seen so much water in town. I'm loving it, though. This is so great. But do you guys see how much snow melted? Just amazing. Watch like this same area from my videos 2 days ago or something. Just nuts. Wow. Look at all this flooding. Wow. Just flooding everywhere. Au revoir. Au revoir. Boom. Look at this. Absolutely incredible. I am mesmerized with how wet it is out here. I can't stop thinking if this were snow, the amount of snow we'd be getting. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Oh shit! Look at all this water, guys. Oh, look at this. Oh shit, turn around, don't drown for sure. Look at that. And guys, all of this is going down to the lake. I am so excited. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to see what the lake looks like. Because this has rained so much, we have other lakes that are forming in town. I think this is going to be incredible for the lake, guys. I am so excited. Hey Siri. Oh, never mind. I'm looking for my phone to call this person to tell them I'm almost there, and I'm panicking like I don't have my phone, but it's because it's being recorded, or it's being used to record. Okay, dude, these people are going just way. Look at how deep this is. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Just deep. But this guy's going too slow to really give it a chance. Come on, man, go, buddy. Go, asshole. Excuse my language. Wow, guys, that's really deep. Like, I can feel that on the bottom of the car. People. Barneys. Alright, so for privacy, I'm going to let you guys go for a moment. Peace out. Love you guys. Alright, guys, so we're driving back now, and we just went through that really flooded part. And it was really flooded. I mean, this whole town looks absolutely insane right now. Let's see. This Jeep is going a little bit slow. It actually stopped in the middle of the lane. Wow, guys, look at this. And all of this is going back into the lake. I can't believe it. I am so happy. I am so happy about this. Let it rain, man. Let it rain. Man. Dude. Did you guys see that, dude? That truck just splashed that guy. Man, that fucking sucks. The guy was pissed. Did you hear that? Oh, that poor guy. He just got splashed by this guy in front of us. He didn't do it on purpose, but he got splashed and the guy was so pissed. I'd be pissed too. It's 42 degrees, absolutely cold out there with cold rain being splashed up on you. Oh, that sucks, man. I don't mean to laugh because that really sucks, but like that's, you know, America's Funniest Home Videos type stuff. Other people's pain or our pleasure. Hope the guy's okay, because he didn't look like he was having a good day with all this rain, and then all of a sudden that happened. Man. This is really amazing how much rain we're getting. It's supposed to get heavier throughout the day, and there is a chance now that later on this afternoon it could turn over to snow, which will be a little bit faster than anticipated, but hopefully it happens. And look at this person, they're too scared to drive across this. Give me a break. Just drive your car, buddy. Man, this is just absolutely amazing, guys. The lake is just gonna love this. Yeah. That's hilarious. That is hilarious. All right, big puddle, let's hit it. Yeah. Another big puddle, smash it. That's not a big puddle. Man, the biggest one we hit was over by Boulder Bay on the way over there. You guys should rewind, check that out. That thing was deep. That thing was deep. We took it deep, bro. We took it deep. Yeah, buddy. So today I have a karaoke party to go to for Valentine's Day at my friend's house. Unfortunately, I'm only going to be able to stop by for a few minutes, but I'm really, really, really excited that they invited me over. A lot of my friends, I don't think, like to invite me places anymore because I tend to say no because of my work. I'm always working. Wow, look at this. This is kind of flooded too. I don't remember it being this bad, but it's bad. This is awesome though. Let's hit the gas. Woo. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Look at the side. Look at the side. Woo. Oh no. Look at the sides, guys. Oh my god, I can't see. Dude, this is awesome, guys. This is awesome. Look at this. Look at these puddles. They're just non-stop. Oh my god, dude. I am absolutely just tearing through this. Look at that. Look at that. Oh no, look at this guy. He's going to nail me. All right, dude. Oh shit, I can't see. Oh, I just nailed him so good. Oh my god. Guys, this is so much fun. Uh-oh. My car is smelling like, yeah, that's not a good smell. That's not the smell I want my car to be smelling. Like, it smells like electrical. That's not good. Dude, I'm just nailing these cars. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Look at this guy next to us. Boom! See ya! Look at all these guys. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, dude, this is so much fun. Oh my gosh. I am having such a blast. This is incredibly fun. Here's another huge puddle. Oh! It just slowed the car down big time. Just look at that. Look at how much water is splashing. If somebody's walking on the sidewalk, they're so screwed. They are so screwed. There's not a chance. They could be walking 10 feet over and they'll still nail them. Dude, that is insane. It looks like they're making everyone move over because of flooding. Jeez, no fun. Look at this. Oh! That was deep. That was deep. Oh, that was deep. All right, let's look at this side right now because we're gonna hit the deepest. Boom! Dang! This is so much fun. This is so much fun. Anyway, I love you guys. Peace. Oh, that was good. That was good. Uh-oh, look at this one. Oh. You gotta take it off. Take it off. I mean, seriously, just look at all this water. This is insane. Now we're gonna look at me splashing these guys on the left in a moment here. Okay, look at how deep this is, man. You know, we're gonna cut through this because the guy in front of us is a jerk off. So we're gonna cut through this, like this. So we don't have to deal with waiting at the light. And boom. Tough acting Tanaki. Alright guys, so see that cut off right there and we're good. Now we're home. Peace out, you guys. I love you. That was fun. Hope you guys had a good time with me. Peace.